How to change Facebook page URL? Well, this is pretty easy. We have to change first our username, because if we'll change our username, then our URL will be modified instantly and our URL will end exactly as our username is. So that being said, let's head straight to facebook.com, and once you'll be on their official page, on the top right side of the screen, you can locate your profile icon, press on it, and before we start, we have to make sure you are in the account that you want to change the URL to. So to change the profile, press on see all profiles and select the one you want to change the URL to. Now let's assume you are in the account you want to change the URL to. Now press on settings and privacy and settings again, and on the left side you can see a menu, and under audience and visibility you can locate page setup and press on it. Here at the top you can see your name, press on view, and at username press on edit. Once you set up your new username, that will be how your URL will end. And shortly, if you'll modify your username or you'll just create one, this will be how your URL will end like. If it's red and it doesn't allow you to save, then it means your username is taken. You can modify it until the bar turns green, and once it's green it means you can save it and it's not taken. So let's just press on save, and let's just check out the page to see if the URL modifies. So I'll reach my profile, and yeah, the URL just modified. Let's try to refresh the page, and yes, the same new URL. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to smash the like button, and a comment will be much appreciated. Have a nice day.